Hello everyone, this is Audra Moore with the National Weather Service in Pocatello, Idaho with your weather hazard briefing for Thursday, August 11th. Some key points as we go through the forecast for the next couple of days. Monsoonal moisture continues to make its way through the area. We'll also see some more isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms, mainly during the afternoon and evening hours. Some of those thunderstorms could be stronger, producing some brief, moderate to heavy rainfall, which could provide some localized flooding concerns for parts of the area. Some gusty winds up to about 40 to 50 miles per hour, and some small hail. We'll go over the excessive rainfall outlook too. Temperatures are going to stay fairly close to normal for this time of the year, with most of us in the 80s and low 90s. Again, we're going to see some of those showers and thunderstorms continuing on and off as we go through the next few days. That continues even through the weekend and into early next week. We'll finally start to dry things out a little bit more. Here's a check of satellite early on this Thursday morning. You can see plenty of cloud cover, and even where that complex of showers and thunderstorms moved through the eastern half of Idaho through the early morning hours. Picked up some decent rainfall. In fact, you can see some of those 24-hour rainfall totals here on the map. Some of us even a little bit farther south, just across the state line into parts of northern Utah, about 3/4 of an inch of rain. Here in Pocatello, about 1/4 of an inch to 3/10 of an inch. And as those showers and storms move farther up to the north there, eventually tapering off the closer you get to Rexburg. But we will take any rain that we can get at this point to help with some of the fire concern, and also just to get a little bit more moisture. So we will continue to see isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms on and off through the afternoon for our Thursday, Friday, Saturday, even into Sunday. The weather risk outlook grid here looking pretty repetitive. That's to be expected with this monsoonal moisture moving through the area. By the time we get to Monday, we will still see a few isolated showers, mainly through the eastern and southeastern highlands and into the hills, but we'll finally start to see things dry out a little bit more as we get into Monday. But with that chance for some showers and thunderstorms, mainly as we get into Thursday afternoon and evening again, a few parts of western and northwestern Idaho and parts of the Panhandle could potentially even see a few strong to severe storms, a marginal risk there, closer towards Boise, McCall, Rangeville, and means one or two of those storms could produce some wind gusts up to about 60 miles per hour, or even some quarter-size hail, but most of Idaho included in just the garden-type variety of some showers and thunderstorms possible with that monsoonal moisture moving through. That is what we'll see as we go through Friday and even into Saturday, but on Saturday you can finally start to see the western edge of Idaho starting to begin that drying out process. So some excessive rainfall is possible, more so as we get into Friday, mainly into parts of extreme eastern Idaho, even more so the farther east that you go into parts of Wyoming, but certainly something to keep an eye on with some localized flooding concerns possible if you get caught under one of those showers or thunderstorms. Could get some rainfall pretty quickly. Again, keep an eye out for that, and as a reminder, never drive through flooded roads if you come across any of those. But eventually we'll start to dry things out as we get into early next week. But before we get to that, let's take a look at what radar could look like as we go through the rest of our Thursday. Now this is keeping some of that morning moisture around a little bit longer than what most of us are seeing. It'll actually move out of here pretty quickly, so mainly dry, aside from a few isolated showers through the rest of our Thursday morning. As we get into the afternoon, we'll start to see some more pop-up showers and thunderstorms, especially to the western half of Idaho, as those showers and thunderstorms continue. Can't rule out even a few of those, though, closer to Pocatello, Idaho Falls, Driggs, and even a little bit farther up to our north. They won't be widespread, so certainly won't be for everyone, but something that you want to keep in mind if you have any outdoor plans through the afternoon or into the evening. Now, as far as our temperatures go, you'll see most of us are back into the mid to upper 80s, even low 90s, and that continues for Friday, even into Saturday. Saturday, though, temperatures will drop ever so slightly, with more of us in the mid to upper 80s. But again, we still see a few of those low 90s, and then another slight drop as we head into Sunday, most of us seeing highs in the 80s. So a quick summary of what we're expecting as we go through the next few days. For our Thursday, especially in the afternoon, some isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible. Could see a few stronger storms, some brief moderate to heavy rain, some gusty winds up to about 40 to 50 miles per hour, even a little bit of some small hail. Temperatures fairly close to normal, 80s, some low 90s, and we'll continue to see this monsoonal moisture impacting us as we go through Thursday, Friday, Saturday, even into Sunday before we eventually start to dry things out a little bit more early next week. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to reach out via email, phone call, or find us on social media. Have a great day.